Hi students, how are you? So we have already started our first chapter, chapter 1, and we are going to learn a new portion today in grammar section. There are compound words. We are going to learn a new section. Compound words, compound words. Compound, C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D, compound words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Compound words. Okay, compound words. What are compound words? So we have already learned about naming words. Sometimes two naming words together can make a new word. Two naming words together, when we are together at two naming words, we can make a new word. That word is called a compound word. Compound, join together, we make a new word. That word is called a compound word. Compound word. Okay, compound word means when we add two naming words together, we can make a new word. That word is called a compound word. For example, butter is one naming word and fly is another naming word. When we join together two naming words, we can make a new word. That is butterfly. Butterfly. This is one naming word, butter, and fly is another naming word. When we join together two naming words, we can make a new word, that is butterfly. Okay. Then let's see another example. Bath. Bath plus room. Bath plus room. When we join together, we get a new word, that is bathroom. Bathroom, that is a new word. This word is called a compound word. This word is called a compound word. Okay, you understood what are compound words now? When we join together two naming words, we can make a new word. That word is called a compound word. When we joined bath and room, we got a new word, bathroom. That is the compound word. Okay, let's see another example. Armchair. Am plus chair. When we join together two naming word am and chair, we get a new word, that is armchair. That is armchair. This is called compound word. Armchair is a compound word. Okay, and butterfly is a, very good, is a compound word. Butterfly is a compound word. Bathroom, compound word. Am plus chair, we get a new word. Armchair is also a compound word. Okay, then here are some exercise for you. You have to do that one. So here are some words in the right side. Here are some words in the boxes and some words in the butterfly. You have to join and make a new word from this. Okay. So first word, room. Here room is there. So you have to find out a suitable naming word from the butterfly. What is that? Which one? Room? Is very good. It's bird. Room plus bird. Room plus bird. You get a new word. Bedroom. 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 Okay, then what's the next word here? What's the next word? Bowl. Bowl. So find out a new word from naming word from here. Find out a suitable naming word from the butterfly for bowl. It is very good. It's food. Food plus bowl. Food plus bowl. You get a new word. What is that? Football. Football. This is the compound word. Football is a compound word. When we add together foot and ball, we get a new word, football. That is a compound word. So what's the next word here? Is walk. Walk. So which one is suitable for walk? Which naming word? It's home. Home. H-O-M-E, home. Home plus work, you get a new word. What's that? Homework. 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 This is also a compound word. Homework. And what is the next word here? It is burst. Burst. So find a suitable naming word from the butterfly. Yes, it is tooth. Tooth plus paste. Tooth plus paste. Toothpaste. Tooth plus paste. You get the new word. Toothpaste. This is also a compound word. This is also a compound word. And what is the next one? Post. Post. Find a suitable word from the butterfly. S is man. Man. Post plus man. Post plus man. That is postman. Postman. Postman is also a compound word. Okay. And the next one, post, lamp. Lamp post, L-A-M-P, lamp plus post, you get the new word, lamp post. Lamp post, this is also a compound word. So compound word means when we join together two naming words, we can make a new word. We can make a new word. That word is called a compound word. When we join together two naming words, we can make a new word. That word is called a compound word. So that is the new portion for you, compound word. I hope you all understood compound word. Next you have to learn a new portions. It's already we have learned in first standard. This is just a revision. Articles. Articles page number 11. Naming words also in the page number 10 we have already learned that naming words and pronouns we have already learned. So we are going to look at the page number 11, articles. Articles. So do you remember what are articles? Articles A, an. Articles A and an. We have learned about the articles A, an. So where we write articles? Where? Yes, before the naming word. We write article before the naming word. We write articles before naming words. Article before naming words. Before naming words. And I want to ask one question. Why we write the naming words? Why we write naming words? Yeah, it shows that naming words is only one. It shows the naming word is only one in number. Okay. So let's see some example. An apple, an orange, then a pen. These all are naming words. Apple, orange, pen, all are naming words, and we write articles before the naming words. And where we use the A article, we use A article A before a naming word which start with the consonant sound. Very good. We start with the consonant sound, and we use article an before a naming word which start with the vowel sound. Okay, the words A and R are articles. They are used before naming words. we use A before a naming word which begins with a consonant, and we use an before a naming word which begins with a vowel. Here are so many examples. A bat, a bat. B is a consonant sound, so we write A article before the bat. An egg, E-G-G, egg. So this naming words start with the vowel sound A, so we written an before the vowel sound. So we use A before the consonant sound, and we use an before the vowel sound. Example, river. River, which one? A or an? Which article we use before the naming word river? Is exactly it is A river. A river. River is a consonant sound, so we use the article A before the river. Okay, then owl. Which article we use before the owl? Very good, is an owl, because owl sound is a vowel sound, so we write an before the vowel sound. Next one, ant. What's the article before ant? Very good, an ant. Why? Because it starts with the vowel sound, and start with the vowel sound a, so we write an before the ant. Okay, so there is one exercise for you have to do. Exercise D, fill in the blanks with the a or an in page number 11. Number 1, I gave dash apple to my friend. I gave dash apple to my friend. Here is the naming word apple. So which article before apple is start with the vowel sound, so an apple. So next one, number 2, Rida wants dash pencil and sheet of paper. Rida wants dash pencil and sheet of paper. So what's the naming word here? Here is the naming word pencil. So which article we use before pencil? Is it start with a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Yes, it is start with a consonant sound, so we use a article before pencil. Okay, then number 3, the doctor gave me dash injection. The doctor gave me dash injection. What's the naming word here? Injection. So which article we use before injection? Is the injection start with the vowel sound E. Injection. E is a vowel sound, so we have to write an before injection. An injection. Okay, then the next one, number 4, fruits stay fresh in dash refrigerator. Fruits stay fresh in dash refrigerator. So which is the article before refrigerator? It starts with the consonant sound It starts with the consonant sound so we write A before refrigerator. A refrigerator. Okay, the next one, number 5, my aunt gave me dash set of crayons. My aunt gave me dash set of crayons. Here is the naming word set of crayons. Set of crayons is the naming word here. A set of crayons. So it starts with the naming word. It starts with the consonant sound is. So we write the article A before set of crayons. A set of crayons. Okay, these are the answers. I hope you all understood articles very well. Thank you.